How to scan documents and make PDFs on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive, log into your account, then click on New with a plus sign on it. After you click on New with a plus sign, you'll find all these options. Click on Scan. Allow taking pictures and videos. After that, you can scan your documents from here, and you can also crop the image, rotate it. After you're done, apply. You can also add filters, clean. After you're done, simply click on done on top right. After that, you can simply select format, location, video, and which is upload on top right. Simply click on it and you're good to go. This is how to scan document and make PDFs on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.